How to connect a broker to MT5. Now, in order to connect broker to MetaTrader 5, you just simply need to open MT5, then tap to add trading account. After tapping into add trading account, you will see this option of find broker. Tap to find broker, and then you need to enter the name of your broker, for example, Vantage, Okta, HFM, and many more. Just simply select the broker that you use. For example, let's say I use Pepperstone, and after entering the Pepperstone here, all of the available option will be in this section. Just simply select the broker that you are connected to or you want to connect. For example, let's select Pepperstone Group Limited, and after selecting that, this page will appear where you can enter the login credentials of that broker. Just simply enter your login and password, and then after tapping into this login button, you will be connected to that specific broker in MetaTrader 5.